The Nirvana Shatakam, also known as Atma Shatakam, is a six-verse Sanskrit hymn attributed to the Hindu philosopher Adi Shankara. It is a concise summary of the key tenets of Advaita Vedanta, a non-dualistic school of Hindu philosophy, emphasizing the realization of the true self, Atman, as one with the ultimate reality, Brahman. The hymn uses powerful negations to describe the true nature of the self, going beyond the limitations of the physical world and mind. Key themes and concepts. 1. Non-dualism, Advaita. The central idea is that the individual self, Atman, is not separate from the universal self, Brahman, which is the ultimate reality. 2. Identity. The hymn emphasizes that the true self is beyond the physical body, mind, and all worldly identifications. 3. Negation. It uses a series of negations, e.g., I am not the mind, I am not the body, to highlight the limitations of these worldly constructs and point towards the true nature of the self. And 4. Realization. The hymn ultimately leads to the realization of the true nature of the self as the form of consciousness and bliss, Shivoham. Structure and content. The Nirvana Shatakam is structured as a series of 6 verses, each progressively unveiling the nature of the true self. 1. Verses 1 to 3. These verses describe the true self as being beyond the mind, senses, and external world. 2. Verse 4. This verse emphasizes the transcendence of worldly attachments and desires. 3. Verse 5. This verse highlights the freedom from the cycle of birth and death, and the realization of the true self. And 4. Verse 6. This verse concludes with the declaration of the self as the form of consciousness and bliss, Shivoham. Significance. The Nirvana Shatakam is a powerful tool for self-realization and spiritual awakening. By understanding the teachings of this hymn, individuals can transcend the limitations of the ego and the material world and realize their true nature as the infinite, blissful self.